Hello, my name is Paul Papanik-Stork, and I've got a couple of questions for you. When you log into Office 365 and you access the app launcher, are you intimidated by the sheer number of programs that are available? Do you know what all those programs do? And are you aware of the different kinds of programs, some of which seem to do the same thing? Do you know which one to use when? And more importantly, do you know how to control access to them? Well, if you answered yes to any one of those questions, then I'd like to invite you to join me for a full-day workshop at SharePoint Fest in Seattle in August. In that workshop, we're going to go over all of the non-standard applications that are available in Office 365. Things like Stream and Video and Planner and Sway, all of the applications that people aren't sure of. We're going to talk about which applications do what. We're going to talk about which applications you should use when. We're going to review the business case for each of those applications, and we're going to cover the administrative controls that are available for you to control which application you're using. I hope to see you in August at SharePoint Fest so that you can learn about all of the different applications that are available in Office 365. See you then.